It's their season, so let's get started. We need 2 mangoes. I have already grinded their pulp. Add it to the mixer once again. Then add half cup of sugar. Then add 2 pinches of salt. Adding sugar is also optional because mangoes are already sweet. Then further add 1 and 1/4 cup of milk. And blend. This will look like a mango shake. Control your temptations, we need it later. Keep that aside and then take 1/4 cup of corn flour and add 1/4 cup of milk. And stir. Let the amount be accurate, otherwise the pudding won't stay firm. We can also use custard powder over here. Stir it well and this will look like a toothpaste. So you won't get tempted for this. Then add the mango mixture to the vessel. And heat it on a low flame. Once it starts boiling, add the corn paste. And stir vigorously till it forms a thick paste. Then add half lemon to it. This will balance the taste. And stir. Then take an empty bowl, grease it with oil thoroughly. Add the mixture to the bowl. Then tap it to make sure no bubbles are formed. Let it cool down for some time and then toss it into the fridge. So this is the final result. Loosen up the edges with a blunt object and then flip it onto a plate. Season it with some mint leaves and you are all ready to savor this heavenly mango pudding. This was the first time when I made it. Anyways, one must accept mistakes and move on and make another mango pudding.